The Cartesian Coordinates brought math into the real world as a tool that helped scientists to make major discoveries. Subscribe to follow the series The History of Math on our YouTube channel now. For a long period of time, you had like two main streams in mathematics. Geometry came from Egyptian to the Greeks, and the other one, algebra, coming from the Arabic world, bringing some new concepts like the zero, the unknown, etc. One day, a French philosopher, Descartes, had an idea. Say, why don't we merge the two disciplines, geometry and algebra? That is a great idea. In order to do so, he invented something which is called Cartesian Coordinates, which suddenly made something incredible possible. It's possible to see mathematics, to see equations. So if you take the x and y, the dot 2.4 sits here. And you can see where is the dot. You can visualize things. You can slowly start visualizing physics. Galileo said, nature is written in the language of mathematics. So it was this tool developed by Descartes became a fantastic possibility for many scientists, including Galileo, because you can draw, you can see, you can picture things. Let's take another dot, 1, 1, and then 3, 9. You can put the two dots on the same system, and what you do, slowly you draw a curve. And the equation is, at any x, you take the power of 2 for y. And you can slowly draw what we call a parabola. And you can mirror the curve, so suddenly it was possible to see a parabola. And of course, that's a major breakthrough because, 17th century, people start to find lots of laws in physics, astronomy, and the parabola, for example, was used as a tool in physics. For example, if you take a table like this and you push a ball and then it falls on the ground, this curve is more or less a parabola. So it was suddenly possible to calculate where, like for a cannonball, exactly the same. An incredible tool for scientists. Another good example, still today, imagine you want to capture the energy of the sun. You have rays, and those rays are parallel. And of course, you'd like to have all the rays focusing at the same place. The answer, a parabola. Because whatever the distance here, the angle will rush the ray to the focus on the parabola. So this was another major breakthrough in mathematics. Thanks to Descartes, mathematics suddenly became the ultimate tool for science. Thank you, Mr. Descartes. Next time we will have a look at paradoxes, math's blind spot. Why, for example, it's impossible to cross a square. Subscribe now to watch our full series on the history of math.